and welcome to today's Tech Tuesday video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Curipod and some of the features that it has within it and some things that will help you out when you want to use this resource. We're going to start by generating a lesson, and I want to show you something that a lot of people probably haven't noticed. Right here, I can do full lesson, quick writes, or test prep. But sometimes I really want those features that it comes in a full lesson, but I don't want it to be over 15 minutes long. So I could easily come in here and say, so I type this in. And it's thinking. So it gives me my lesson, 15 minutes. Here's the standards alignment. And I can keep chatting and say, I need to change the lesson objective or I need to change something. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the lesson. Now I can actually choose a theme. I'm going to choose chalkboard. And as you can see, it is going ahead and creating this lesson, and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to generate this. I do want to remind you that when you do go to Curipod and you create your lessons, they all show up here, and your reports after your lessons are here. One good practice to have is to make a copy of your lesson if you're going to be using it in more than one class. That way you have data in each one of those activities for each one of your classes. It's a little bit easier to follow that way. I can always come back here and show you that you can generate a full lesson. You can also use your lesson materials here. So you can enter text, PDF, PowerPoint, things like that. Right here is lesson ideas that it can give you. You also, if you at the middle school and elementary, you have access to test prep. And as you can see here, you can use these. And then you can even use your own materials. I'm going to go back to the designer. Here is my lesson. It is already created. So let's take a look and see what activities it has the students doing. Right here is a conversation, just getting the students' prior knowledge. There's a poll, which grievance objects to taxes passed without colonial representation. What's a grievance versus a right? 2 truths and a lie. And then here is an AI feedback one. So this actually has some other activities and information in it, but you can see that it's shorter than that full lesson because I asked it to keep it at the 15-minute limit. I can also add in and say, wait, I don't like the 2 truths and a lie. I want to change that to a word cloud, or I want to change it to a drawing. So you can always come in and edit the slide and edit that activity so that you can change that. Or you can just have a conversation with the AI and say, take out the 2 truths and a lie and make it a turn and talk activity or a poll, whatever you feel would fit better with your class at that time. So I wanted to show you this because every time I've shown Curipod and we do a lesson, it's usually very long, but now that you have the ability to shorten it, it may be a little bit easier to use in your classroom. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to assist you in any way I can. Thanks for watching.